Today, we added a new tool to the Engravefill Pro website. You can now turn your generated design into a realistic photo. After generating your image, simply hit the Preview Tool button to open it. Or, in the Create section, scroll down to the Preview tool. Pick the material from the different drop-down menus on the right side. You can select the depth of the engraving and the oxidation. There's 3 different rendering options. The flat option will create a perpendicular shot. The angle renders a perspective image. If you want multiple views in one image, select the grid option. There's also a list of different backgrounds or environments for the rendering. And finally, you pick your lens focus. Then download the image or pick different settings for a new render. Here's a few more examples. Check out the website and join our Facebook group.